Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate an image from Novel AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in novelai.net and press enter. You will then be taken into the Novel AI official website. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your credentials to log in to your account. Now once you are logged in, you will be taken into the dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you can simply scroll down and you will find generate images. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will need to read through the terms and conditions. Just scroll all the way down or read through with it, and then you can click on the click here to agree with these terms option. Finally click on accept and now click on OK. And now you will be taken into the image generation screen. Now in the prompt section, you will need to use tags to use to define for your output image. So go ahead and type in what you want to see within the final output image. For the purpose of this video, let's just choose a random image. Now if you scroll down, you will find undesired content. Within this box, you can type in what you don't want to see within your image. After typing in everything that you don't want to see within the undesired content section, you can choose any tags that you want to enable within the did you mean section. Finally, choose how many image you want to generate and then choose your aspect ratio. You can then click on the generate button to use your available currency or points to generate the image. Now since I don't have any currency to start generating, I'm not able to generate any image. But you can simply click on the generate button and your image will immediately be generated. And you can download it with a click of a button. And there you have it. That is how you can generate images on Novel AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.